So you're ready to learn how to ski or snowboard. Maybe it was a friend who turned you on to snow sports. Maybe it was seeing the beauty that the mountains have to offer, or maybe you just love outdoor recreation. The best way to start is with a lesson. Most importantly, lessons will help you learn how to ski and ride safely, not only for yourself, but for those around you on the slopes as well. Know the code. There are some elements of risk when being on the mountain, so it's important to remember these simple rules. These are important for both skiers and riders. First, ski and ride on trails according to your ability. Because you're starting out, stick to beginner terrain, which are all marked by a green circle. Get your legs under you and just take it easy, enjoy the scenery, and have a good time. Next, skiing or riding to your ability means being able to control your speed and avoid collisions with other guests. It means you should be able to stop when you want to stop. Anything less, and you should move back to an easier slope. It's always important to look ahead of you to make sure you know where you are going and who's in front of you. You can see that person, but he or she can't see you. So it's important that you're able to avoid anyone below you. So take it slow and easy and enjoy the experience. Here's another important point. Observe the signs. When picking your route, it's very important to abide by trail signage and avoid closed areas. Going into closed areas sounds tempting, but it's illegal to ski or ride in a closed area. Closed means closed. It's closed for a reason. When you need to take a break midway down a run, where do you stop? In the middle of the trail? No. If you do stop here, you've just become an obstacle to others. The right thing to do is move to the side of a run or trail. And make sure you stop in a spot where people above you can see you. One final safety tip. We're at one of the most important areas of the ski resort, the trail merge. This is where you need to slow down, look around, and yield to others coming into this area. Whether you're a first timer, you've been skiing for a few years, or you're a true veteran, it's important to keep these simple safety tips in mind. With all that said, our goal is for you to be safe and have a great day skiing and riding